What I love about Cathy, she is so fun, vibrant, exciting, down to earth, and just damn, so much fun to be with and have fun, do things, go places, be crazy, simple, elegant, dress up, dress down, go fly fishing, riding our Rovi over the mountains in Colorado. Just, she's just so much fun to be with. You know, the reason I wanted to make a custom ring for Cathy, we got her first ring when we were in St. Thomas about 27 years ago, I think. And it was a pretty ring. At the time, it was all we could afford or anything, and more than we could afford, really. And she wore it for, up until about last year. And we were talking about upgrading it. Yeah, one of the reasons I wanted to get a different one is, and I didn't realize how beautiful a diamond could be and a ring could be if it was done right professionally by somebody that knew what they're doing. I didn't realize that anybody, would start from scratch and make the casting and make everything. That's so special and important to us, and it's so cool to mean so much. This is something that you've created that we wanted. We found somebody that could do something that produced something so beautiful. I can slide it on her hand and she'll love it. I've been thinking about the future and what we're going to do now that I'm kind of retiring. She worked 45 years and I worked 41 years for the same company, group of car dealerships. We worked our butts off because we were all, our free time, we'd go on a trip, go fly fishing, Alaska, Rome, or somewhere. We didn't have a lot of time. And now we've got some time where concerts. I probably booked 20 concerts. Didn't even look at the date before I had, let's see, what weekend can I be gone and what this. I didn't care what day it was. I just booked it. Oh, it's on a Tuesday? I don't care. And we're just kind of letting go and meeting new friends and having a great time. Hi, baby. I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy.
Can't wait to see it. Oh, no way. Way. I love you. You were the love of my life. Holy crap. God, it's beautiful. Oh, my God. You like?
I like.
I love.
You like? I love you, baby.
I love you.
Cathy, I am so glad we're getting this ring and so glad we're having Vanessa create it for us. It means so much to me to be able to give you something that I know you love and will cherish. And it makes your heart so happy. And I want to do that because for the last 40 years we've been together. Maybe some of the times haven't been the best. And there's been some rocky moments and you've put up with me. And I cherish that. And I know I don't have as many days left as the 40 we've spent together. But hopefully in the next 20 years, I can double up on that and make every day special for you because I love you so much, baby. And this means so much. And it's still going to be so beautiful. And I just cherish the moments and our dreams we have going forward now, our trips, our concerts, going overseas, Ireland, and seeing the kids over there, and going to Canada, and maybe we'll go back to Alaska, fly fishing again, and just the new friends we're meeting and fun we're having, sharing everything we've built up over the years and enjoying it together. It's so precious, and you're so precious to me. And we wouldn't have this, Cathy, if it wasn't for you. You've worked so hard. We've worked hard together. And I wouldn't have this without your support. And thank you for putting up with me for all those years. And God, I just love you so much, baby. I love you, Cathy.